Hello everyone, do-it-yourself gourmet, in with a quick one on these lovely frozen hash browns. Get them in the toaster oven at about 375, let it get nice and hot. Bake them up for about 15 minutes. I use them when they're a bit thawed, so sometimes it works on 10 and it gets it right and proper, nice and golden. And this is a check-in at about 10 minutes through. We're gonna give them about another 5 minutes because maybe the time's a little off depending. Sometimes they take more. When they're frozen, they take about 25 minutes. But these, we got 10 minutes left. Maybe we'll turn up the heat to 400 if need be. And if that's the case, go ahead. Just make sure and check them out so they don't get too brown and too toasty if you don't want them like that.